Get into the 2026 Lincoln Nautilus Hybrid. Introducing the Lincoln Nautilus Hybrid, a luxurious SUV that seamlessly combines elegance, performance, and eco-friendly efficiency. This refined vehicle features an advanced hybrid powertrain, delivering exceptional fuel economy without compromising on power. The Nautilus Hybrid's sophisticated design is complemented by a spacious, meticulously crafted interior. Equipped with cutting-edge technology like the Lincoln Co-Pilot 360 suite and an intuitive infotainment system, experience unparalleled comfort, advanced safety features, and a smooth, responsive drive with the Lincoln Nautilus Hybrid. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, navigation system, heated mirrors, power liftgate, satellite radio,